The year is 2026, and Polestar is ready to redefine the electric performance coupe with the long-awaited Polestar 6. As we approach this striking machine, the first thing you notice is its clean Scandinavian design language, minimalist, yet powerful. The front fascia takes cues from the acclaimed O2 concept, with razor-sharp LED lighting signatures and a smooth aerodynamic nose cone that sets the stage for performance. Its low, wide stance and flowing hood lines create a sense of movement even while standing still, perfectly blending elegance with aggression. Circling to the rear, the sculpted surfaces continue, emphasizing a broad, planted presence. The full-width LED tail light bar stretches across the back, a futuristic signature that commands attention both day and night. The convertible silhouette gives the car a dramatic personality, open-air performance paired with refined luxury. Every contour of the body feels deliberate, not just for style but for aerodynamic efficiency, proving that form and function can coexist seamlessly. Step inside, and the Polestar 6 greets you with a cabin built around modern minimalism. The dashboard is simple yet futuristic, with a large floating touchscreen at the center and subtle ambient lighting along clean horizontal lines. The seating is wrapped in sustainable vegan leather, showcasing Polestar's commitment to premium craftsmanship without compromise. Both the driver and passenger seats share the same refined design, supportive yet comfortable, ensuring consistency and harmony across the cabin. This is an interior that feels both futuristic and welcoming, a space designed not just to drive in, but to experience. Beneath its sleek exterior lies an electric powerhouse. The Polestar 6 is expected to deliver over 600 horsepower, pushing it from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. With instant torque and all-electric precision, this coupe is engineered for thrill seekers who demand more than just speed. It's about control, refinement, and the freedom of open-top driving. And with an estimated range of over 300 miles, it proves that sustainability and performance are no longer opposites, but partners in innovation. The Polestar 6 is more than a car, it's a statement about where electric performance is heading. A perfect balance of Scandinavian minimalism, raw power, and futuristic technology, arriving in 2026 to challenge what we expect from grand touring coupes.